In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So to do this, head straight to Facebook and click on the menu at the bottom left corner. When you're there, click on the settings icon at the top right. Click on personal details under account settings. And here you're going to see an option for account ownership and control. Click on it. Here you're going to see the option to deactivate or delete your account. Click on it. Here you're just going to select which account you want to deactivate. Here you can see they are asking you to temporarily deactivate your account. Click on continue. If you have any pages attached to your Facebook account that you're personally managing, then they're notifying you that those pages are not going to be active. So if you want to keep the pages active, then you can reassign another admin. So when you're done doing that, click on continue. Here you're just going to input your password for your security to make sure you're actually the one trying to deactivate your account. And when you're done doing that, you click on the final deactivate button and your Facebook account is going to be deactivated.